Greetings, everyone, and welcome back to another episode of Plan B Success. Everyone wants to be heard. Very few want to listen. Let me begin by just saying that flat out. Each of us has a voice and thoughts to express and an urge to be heard. Who doesn't need validation, right? Every voice has a certain reach. Some don't go beyond one's mind. Some cross the threshold of the home, and others enter every house in the world. Which one are you? And how can you increase your reach? To be seen and heard is the ultimate desire, no matter who you are. It's a feeling of comfort that you have been heard. Sometimes, even if you have heard yourself loud and clear outside of your own mind. While we ruminate and think in silence, we express ourselves through words. But when you're listening to another, accord them the same respect that you desire when you speak. Listen carefully, attentively, and empathetically. Be fully present and leave judgment aside. Let the speaker own the space. Your questions can wait. Listen with intent and respect. When it's time to debate, discuss, or inquire, absolutely do so to enrich everyone's wisdom. When you offer the courtesy and respect of listening to another, they accord you the same respect when you speak. In a personal or professional setting, the ability to listen and to speak your mind is vital. It helps enrich relationships and builds them on a foundation of mutual trust and respect. Emotions often tend to get inflamed when people interact, and even when they hardly do. It's in such times that the ability to voice and listen can be helpful if the judgment is left aside. Listening can be more useful when it's active listening that you're practicing, where you make the effort not just to listen, but to understand the other person and where they're coming from. Reflect on what you have heard, ask questions, and understand what's been said. If you do not follow, feel free to reframe your queries. Rewording what you heard might enable the speaker to see your vantage point as well. By showing that you're speaking or listening from their point of view enables empathy to understand their feelings. It allows you to be in control of your feelings and ensures prejudices do not tint your understanding. In today's world, this is more important than ever. Many are great talkers and very poor listeners. They're just waiting to get their word in. And while the other person is talking, they're reviewing what to say next than listen attentively. The distractions of the modern world are no help either. Know that another's viewpoint and thoughts are as important as your own. There's always value added when you listen attentively and speak your mind. Accord the same respect to another. It's great that you want to be heard, but are you willing to listen too?